video, and this particular video is very special to me because not only is this my first tutorial of showing you guys how I do my hair, this is my first sponsor video. Yes, girls. Yes, girls. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. It's sponsored by Unice Hair Company. They sent me their 16-inch natural black headband wig. I have yet to open it, so you guys will be seeing my first impressions, and I just want to make one thing very, very clear. I just recently started to wear wigs, so I'm still learning, and I watch a lot of videos. I watch a lot of videos on TikTok. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube. And what I find is a lot of people tell you what they want you to hear. They don't tell you the truth about the product itself. And we spend our coin. We spend our hard-earned money on these products, and I hate when I watch so many reviews on a specific product and I think that it's a good thing and I think that it's a good product, and then once I have it myself and I try it out, I'm like, yeah, they lied to me. So I'm going to be super honest with this video. I'm going to tell y'all my honest opinion, and we're not going to sugarcoat nothing. So with that being said, I am a person that loves packaging. Like, that's the first thing you're gonna see. That's gonna be your first impression. So with that being said, the fact that this box is my favorite color, I'm sold alone. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I have yet to open this box, so y'all are really gonna be seeing my first impressions. So the box is super cute. It makes me want to open her. It has directions on the back of the box how to apply the wig and how to take care of it. And let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so I got two headbands. Super cute, super fun. This one is thicker, it's colorful, and I'm glad that they sent me a thick headband. I have a large head, okay? So I love me a good thick headband so it can cover the circumference. Circumference is the key. For us girls with the big heads out there, it's okay. We are not alone. Trust me, there's more of us than there aren't of us. This headband is super cute. This one is like a silk material, but it do got another, it has a stretchy back. Like I said, circumference. She gonna do what she need to do. Okay, so here is the wig. They do have it in a little protective cap. Appreciative about that, because you don't want your hair just sliding around in the box, getting staticky and all that good stuff. So here is the wig straight out of the box, and she's giving body. She's very soft. Here is the headband part here. They have about 4 clips inside of the wig, and they also have the headband itself. It has Velcro, and it has a good length piece here, so you can stick it according to how big, how tight or how loose you want your headband to be. They also have another strap here, so sis gonna be on that head. Sis ain't gonna go nowhere, okay? So I'm very impressed. First of all, I'm not getting any shedding. I'm not getting shedding at all. And when I'm actually pulling, like, I'm actually pulling my fingers through, and I'm not getting any shedding, so that's a good sign. So let's go ahead and put her on. With this being a headband wig, I did go ahead and prep my hair before. I did go ahead and prep my hair off of camera. So I just have my hair in cornrows to the back, the wig cap as well, and I already did my edges off of camera. So now we can go ahead and put her on. Ooh. Okay. Her. I'm just gonna use the back clips. So, okay. Okay. So instantly, I am in love. It's not tight on my head whatsoever. However, I still feel secure. I personally only use the 2 clips in the back because my braids are still fresh in the front and I don't want to cause too much tension on my hair. So I have the 2 clips in the back. I use the strap and I pull, I have a large head, I'm aware. So I feel secure. I use the strap, I use 2 clips, and I still feel secure. And I have not had put any heat on this. I literally just combed it, and this is what it looks like straight out of the package. I could literally just go out and just go like this. The headband is black. I absolutely love it. Like, I'm 5'7", so I don't know if you can tell. It comes to like my bra strap area. Super cute. She's moving. She's giving the girls body. She's giving the girls. She's giving girls. Super lightweight. I don't feel like it's tight. I'm not getting any shedding. The wig doesn't smell. So let's go ahead and try on the headband. I do have my flat irons right here because I thought that I was going to have to straighten it a little bit, but I kind of like how this is giving me body. Super cute. It was super easy to put on. I don't know, it probably literally took me like about 5 minutes to put it on. This headband is super cute and it goes with what I have on today, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on as well. Period. And instantly I'm in love. This is bomb. Unice, y'all knew what y'all was doing. Y'all knew exactly what y'all was doing, okay? Y'all knew what y'all was doing. So, I'm in love. Baby, I'm ready to go to class. I'm ready to go get tea. I am extremely satisfied. Not only do I feel secure, not only am I not getting shedding, not only do I have room, not only is she giving the girl's body, not only is she moving, but in that process of putting this wig on, that probably took me 4 to 5 minutes. You mean to tell me if I wake up looking a mess, all I gotta do is my edges and put a wig on? Why haven't I already been introduced to the wig world? 4 minutes? If I'm running late to class, I can put her on. If I'm running late to work, I can put her on. If I'm in a rush but I still want to be cute, I can put her on, and it's only gonna take me 4 to 5 minutes. I am super satisfied. I am super happy, and they just started something. Unice, Y'all just started something. Y'all really just started something. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. So, I'm sold. I'm sold. I really like it. I like the length. I love the color. There's literally nothing left for me to say. Okay, so I told you guys that I was going to be completely honest with y'all, and I let y'all know how I feel about this unit. So let's go over the checklist. Shedding. I'm not receiving any shedding, and when I tell y'all, I'm genuinely pulling at this hair and I don't have not a strand. Oh, shedding. Time convenience. It took me 4 minutes to put this wig on. Security. There's 4 pins in this unit, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and there's also the headband, which has extra Velcro on it so that you can make it as tight or as loose as you choose. So that again, the hair itself, I have no complaints so far. So with that being said, we're on to something. Unice. We are on to something. Again, this unit is their 16-inch straight natural black headband units, and I'm absolutely in love. This unit was great. Shedding, the hair itself, the time it took to put on, everything about, I have no complaints. I honestly don't. And like I mentioned earlier, I am just now starting to wear wigs, and the fact that this unit was so easy for me to put on, I'm super satisfied. I genuinely am super satisfied. So again, thank you so much, Unice, for sending me this unit. Definitely won with this one. A big reason why I never was really into wigs in the first place, because I thought they looked really fake, and this is really, and I'm literally getting the complete opposite. Like, she's really giving the girls. She's really giving the girls, okay? With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I have so much more in store for you guys on the road to 500. I believe that we can get there. We just got to work to be done. Again, thank you, Unice, so much for sending me this unit. That's a wrap. Love you, K babies.